I wanna rub against you, wanna rub. I wanna rub against you, wanna rub love. I wanna rub against you, wanna rub. I wanna rub against you, come on. Put on a slow and sexy groove. I just wanna rub against you.
Hey, Corner Squad, this is your girl Shaquena coming to you loud, live and in color. Hey, my people. Hey, my people. Today I have a meal today. I wanted to come to you and I wanted to share a small little meal with you today. And what I have is some corn, okra, and tomato right here. And I have some chicken nuggets. And I have a bowl of cut up bananas. Yep, I have some corn, okra, and tomatoes right here. And I have some chicken nuggets right here. And I have some ketchup, so I'm going to put the ketchup here on my food. Okay. Let me see. Oh, shoot. I'm so sorry. I'm dropping y'all. My bad. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get to the salts. Okay. Put that right there. Take that away. Okay. Let me put over my food real quick. Amen. Okay. So what are y'all having for lunch? This is my lunch. I have got to start on my reading for my new class. Oh, and I have some fat back in him as well. Okay. But anyway, y'all, I have 4 chapters that I have to read. Trying to kill us out the gate already. And I have a peach soda. If you know anything about them Czech sodas, you know they come from Winn-Dixie. If you have a Winn-Dixie in your area, go check them out. They have all different flavors: root beer, Coca-Cola, peach, fruit punch, cream soda. They have grape. Let me see. They have strawberry. They have green apple. I mean, they have a lot of sodas. So go on over to Winn-Dixie if you have a Winn-Dixie in your area and shop for your favorite flavor of soda, y'all. I'm so sorry about this light. I'm just so sorry about the light. I'm trying my best to do the best I can to block that light, but it's not working in my favor. Okay, that works. Okay, that works. I just cannot lean back. I got to sit up straight. So let's just sit up straight, just like this right here. Okay. But anyway. But yeah, I start school tomorrow, y'all. The 3rd. And then the 4th, I go get my hair cut and something else done to it. So stay tuned. I'm going to take y'all right along with me. Excuse me, y'all. I'm back. That was just my aunt. My mama's outside in her garden. So, anywho. Some of my banana. My dessert. But I want to talk about the young boy named Junior that was killed. I said I was going to do a separate video. But I'm just going to do it on here. That young boy that got killed, y'all, it don't make any sense that baby got killed like that. All because of mistaken identity and not letting the law handle what happened to one of the gang members' sister. That young boy was stabbed 15 or 16 times. Now, they saying that the shop in the bodega, the owner did not help the boy. But then now they showing video that the owner did try to help the boy. I don't know what to believe, but they're talking about closing that bodega down, or that shop down. What happened to that child, it was senseless. Didn't need to happen. Shouldn't never happen. We killed the wrong child, the wrong person anyway. And whatever happened to that gang member's sister, that gang member should have just let the police handle it. And that's what wrong with a lot of these gangs now. You want to take matters into your own hands. And sometimes you just need to let the law do it, handle it themselves. And now you done went and you done killed the wrong person. And now you want to say you sorry as a gang. You want to reach out to the family and tell the family that you sorry. You should have made sure that these 6 fools didn't go out there and do what they did. And I hope they put the whole gang in prison. I hope they get the whole gang the death penalty. Cause this shouldn't have never been allowed to even happen. It makes no sense to me. We got to put these gangs out of business. Like, we really got to put these gangs straight up out of business. Because they're tearing up families. And to be honest with you, I understand why a lot of these young kids go to gangs. A lot of them go because in fear of the gangs. A lot of them go and join a gang because the family that they do have, the family don't care nothing about them. Keep your kids safe. Treat your kids right. Don't mistreat your children. Listen to your kids. Don't just think you know everything because you the parent. Sometimes you can learn something from your own children if you just shut up and just listen. Sometimes. Ain't nobody saying be your child's friend, but be your child's listening ear. Because that's all they want you to do sometimes is just listen to them. And if that's all it takes to keep your young girl from joining the gang or your young boy from joining the gang, stop what you doing. Take the time and just listen. And now look at this young boy. He's gone. And his family has to deal with the loss of that 15-year-old. And I hope that they get justice for that child. Because he did nothing wrong. He wasn't the one that raped the gang member's sister and videotaped it and put it on social media. He was not the one to do it. Now look. We have a grieving family out here now. And it's just so senseless. It makes no sense. And I worry about my nieces and my nephews. I know I'm going to end up getting an ulcer. Worrying about my nieces and my nephews and their future. Because I don't want nothing happening to them babies. I don't ever want them to think it's okay to join a gang, because it's not. It's never okay to join a gang. Never. I have an ex that was in the gang. I didn't even know it. I didn't even know he was in the gang because he never told me. And once I found out, I left him alone. And that's another story time for y'all. But I'm going to tell y'all one day about my ex. I have not talked to him since I was, it's been some years. Oh, excuse me. I think I was 22. I think I was 19, 20, 21. It's been a minute since I've talked to him. And just to let y'all know that when I do these eating things, these eating videos, you will not see a plate full of food. You just won't. I don't eat like. Sorry about that, y'all. My aunt called my phone. But like I was saying, y'all will never see me eat large amounts of food because I don't eat like that. I'm not going to even pretend that I eat like that because I do not. I just don't. I don't eat like that. I don't eat like that. I don't eat like that, and I'm not gonna do it for the camera. I'm just gonna share a meal with y'all, show y'all what I'm eating. But it's not gonna be a plate full of food. It's not gonna, and it's gonna always be. I ain't gonna say it's gonna always be, but I'm not gonna spend over $100. I'm not gonna spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars for no food just to do a video for y'all. I'm just gonna share my meal with y'all, show y'all what I'm eating, have a conversation with y'all, and hope that you enjoyed the meal that I had as much as I enjoyed eating it. You know, but I don't. I'm not gonna buy all that food. I'm gonna buy what I'm gonna buy. I'm gonna share the meal with you. People have researched mukbangs and found out what mukbangs are and all that. I'm not eating big piles of food. I'm trying to lose weight. I'm not trying to gain weight. I've already lost 14 pounds. I'm trying to keep them 14 pounds up off me. And me eating large amounts of food is not going to keep them 14 pounds off me. And oh, I want y'all to go over to my girl channel. Her channel name is Living My Way. I want y'all to go over there and show her some support. I'm going to put her channel somewhere at the bottom of my screen so that y'all can go over to her channel. She's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful soul. She's also in a wheelchair. She's paralyzed. She got hit by a bullet when she was 5 years old, playing outside on her porch. Somebody decided to want to play with a gun and shoot a gun, and she got hit. So she shared her story on her YouTube channel. So I want y'all to go over there and show my girl some support. And subscribe to her channel, y'all. And tell her that Shaquena sent ya. And please don't go over there disrespecting her. Please don't. Please don't. Don't do that. Show her some love on her channel. Appreciate her just like you appreciate me. Because if I see any comments from any of my subscribers on her channel that's not nice, oh, yeah. Y'all are, my old subscribers, y'all already know how I act. Don't go over there disrespecting that woman like that. Show her the utmost respect. If you don't like her content, just give her a thumbs down if you don't like her content. But don't, And if you a troll on my channel, and you go over to her channel, trolling her channel, disrespecting her, oh, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, okay? I'm gonna get you, because I don't play that. She might not go off on y'all, but you better believe me, I'm gonna cuss you out, okay? My old subscribers know how my old subscribers know how I am. They know I don't play that disrespect stuff. So I'm asking y'all to go over to Living My Way, watch her channel, show her some love, comment on her videos, give her those big thumbs up. If you don't like her content, just give her a thumbs down and keep it pushing. There's too many bullets here on YouTube. And she don't eat yet in her life. She's on YouTube to tell her story. She's on YouTube to share her life, her daily life. And it takes courage as a person in a wheelchair to turn on the camera and show y'all our life. It takes a lot of courage for us to do this. Because we have to think long and hard before we actually did it. Could we take the criticism? Could we take the comments? So, like I said, just go over there and show her some respect. Y'all can ask her any questions if you want to answer. Now, if they're too personal, she'll just tell you it's too personal. You know. But like I said, just show her some love. I want to shout her out because I love her channel. I don't know how long she's been doing YouTube, but I'm loving her content, and I watch her channel. So yeah, just like I said, just go on over and just show her some love. There's a lot of disabled YouTubers, and we are a small community, and we got to stick together. We got to love on one another. We got to defend each other. We got to bounce ideas off of each other for our content. Because we, like I said, we're a small community. There's not many disabled channels here on YouTube. So we just got to stick together. Now I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. You got a lot of disabled people that have bad attitudes just like anybody else. And you can't support everybody. You know, you just cannot support everybody. Because everybody, they say they want their support, but their actions and their attitude say something different. Now, I'm not gonna support every disabled channel. I'm just not. I'm just not. But the ones that I think are worth supporting, I'm gonna support. I'm gonna watch. I'm gonna live up on. I'm gonna encourage them to keep the channel going and to keep pushing. So, you know, can't support everybody because you don't believe in everything somebody else believes in. So, I'm full. Ooh, I'm so full now. I had some bananas left, but I'm full. That's it, y'all. But that's my meal. I hope that you enjoyed this meal with me. Like I said, tell me what you was eating with me. And if you made it to the end of my video, y'all, put corn, okra, and tomato in the comment section. Tell me what's your favorite meal, or what's your favorite meal to eat, or what's your favorite meal to cook. Get this video up. Give this video some two big thumbs up, Get this video to at least 90 likes. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell twice to be notified. If you're an old subscriber, make sure notifications are on. And like I always say at the end of all my videos, have fun playing with your nails if you wear nails. If you're going your own, have fun playing with your makeup if you wear makeup or you're just learning how to use it. And y'all, please live life because God only gives you one. Bye.